All right, good morning, guys. Good morning. I had just did the bag working talk. So now it's like I said, Friday, June 21st. Friday, June 21st, 5:59. 5:59 a.m. And we just gotta get this little workout in. Nothing crazy. You already know. Push-ups, dips, pull-ups. Push-ups, dips, pull-ups. So yeah. So yeah, so like I said today, hopefully, maybe you don't never know, but today I'm gonna be down like at the airport. I'm gonna be down at the airport, so hopefully, or not hopefully, but if I feel like if I run into somebody interesting, oh yeah, if I feel like I with somebody, run into somebody interested or whatnot, or somebody that's willing to just give me the shot and do a little interview, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it. Go for it. Man, you gotta go for it, man. You gotta pursue whatever it is you gotta pursue, man. Do your thing out here, man. Learn to use your time in a positive way. Yeah, man. Learn to use your time in a positive way, man. You know, we got, well, not we, but, I have too much time on my hands to not use it in a good way, you know? Yeah, man. I'm telling you, man. You know, there's a lot of good things that you can do, man, with your time. As long as you just gotta have a little bit of faith. A little bit of faith, man. And then and also to the cojones to do whatever it is that you want to do in life. Yeah, man. Life is way too good, man. It's way too beautiful, man, to just let it pass you by, man. Do something productive with your time, man. Do something productive with your time, man. To the young kids, man, stay active, man. Get off get off them damn video games all day. Get off the hot Cheetos. Get off the bad food. Get up and do something. Move around. Be active, man. You want to know how to beat depression? Go outside. Get out of your dark room. Go to a park. Move around. You know what I mean? Bro, I used to be depressed, bro. I used to go to my room, or not even my room. I used to go to my house, bro, with alcohol, with marijuana. Man, that stuff is no good, man. That stuff is no good, bro. And see, that's how they got you. That's how they got you guys. Cause now that joint, bro, what's up with this thing, bro? Come on, man. Now that joint, that thing's legal, and they finessing y'all out here, man, with this fake weed, bro. It's fake old weed, bro. That joint be strong for no reason, bro. That joint strong for no reason, bro. We go this way. We go this way with it. I'll go this way. Go this way. Yeah, man, the weed strong for no reason, bro. We try to get a medical. We try to just, well, not we. Bro, that joint strong for no reason, man. I got things to do, bro. I got kids to take care of, bro. That joint have you, slumped. Bro, that weed out there in the dispensary, bro, that joint fake, bro. Bro, that joint fake, bro. You gotta be careful with that. That joint fake, bro. That joint not real, bro. That joint ain't real, bro. That joint fake, bro. That weed that's out there, that dispensary weed, that genetically modified, that military grade weed, man, that thing will put you out, bro. That thing will put you out, bro. Bro, that joint fake, bro. Bro, like I said, bro, I used to smoke that weed, bro. I used to smoke that weed. Hit that joint one time. Bro, I didn't want to be high no more, bro. Hit that joint one time, I started tripping, bro. Like, that joint was laced. That joint was laced or strong. That, not even strong, bro. Weed ain't even supposed to be that strong, bro. The heck? And now they getting y'all, too. With the little pins. Wonder why your breath smell like booty? Yeah, that's why, bro. Like I said, bro, I be around the youngest, bro. They be smoking that stuff, bro. Bro, breath stankin', bro. Y'all be stankin', bro. Oh, everything, bro. Yes, sir, bro. Y'all tripping out here, man. What is wrong with your life what is so messed up about life that you can't be sober? What's so messed up about life you can't be sober? Bro, back in the day, bro, I never used to like even smoking weed, bro. I just wanted to be down. I just wanted to be down, bro. I just wanted to fit in, bro. Don't be like me, bro. Don't be dumb, bro. Marijuana, boy, that shit excuse me. Oh man, I was trying to keep it clean, but that thing put me on pause, bro. For many years, bro. Life was passing me by. Phew. Phew. The world was spinning and I was steady stuck in the same spot. Same spot. Don't put yourself on pause. Pursue life. Pursue your dreams. Anything is possible with the hard work, with the dedication. You can do it. You can do it. You could do it. Hard work and dedication, man, that right there. You could do it. Put in the time, put in the work, put in the effort. You know? It ain't just overnight stuff. You know, people don't just overnight. There we go. Go this way now. Telling you, man. You know, you need some structure in your life. Get you some structure in your life. That'll do it right there. That'll do it. That'll help you out. You know? That'll do it. That'll help you out right there. Early in the morning workouts, early bird gets the worm, you know. Early to bed, early to rise. Keeps a man young and wise. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. An army without sickness is undefeated, man. Open up a book, man. Open up a book, man. Take care of your physical health. Take care of your mental health. Take care of your spiritual health. Force field. Force field. Don't let nothing in. Nothing negative in. Stop hanging around the negative people. And sometimes it could be your own family. Bro, my mom, bro, she's so negative for nothing. For nothing. For nothing, bro. But that's just how she is. And we stiff arm. Stiff arm. You gotta love them from a distance. That's it. Have a good day, man. Stay sharp. Read a book. Stay active. Take care of yourselves. Be better than you were yesterday. And I'm going to catch you on the next one, man. Peace out.